Don't ever say, I'm just checking in. Oh, hey, I'm just checking in to see if you wanted to buy something. Just checking in. Take those words, remove them from your brain, put them in the trash can, take the trash can, dump it in a dumpster, throw some gasoline in the dumpster, boom, dumpster fire. Right? Dumpster fire. Don't ever say I'm just checking in, especially if you're following up with a current customer. If you say just checking in with a current customer, that is code for I want to see if your product's on fire. I want to see if something's going wrong, right? They're going to hear just checking in if it's a current customer as if you expect there to be a disaster on their end. Just checking in, don't ever say that. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.